Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. My name is Siti Hamida. Today, I am going to talk about teacher strategies in online learning to increase students' interest in learning during COVID-19 pandemic. Now, I will start with introduction. In introduction, I will explain about the meaning of teacher strategy in online learning to increase students' interest in learning during COVID-19 pandemic. The learning strategy is a special method or approach that is applied by the teacher both in organizing students' materials, methods, media, equipment, and time so that the learning process can be carried out well. Learning strategies are also meaningful as patterns or sequences that are carried out by the teacher consciously and systematically to make the learning process run effectively. With interest in learning, it will raise student attention in learning. Three important aspects can generate interest in learning, namely attention, goals, and intensity of learning. The spread of the coronavirus changed all human activities, including in the learning process. The learning process is carried out in the classroom by direct interaction between teachers and students. Yet, during the COVID-19 pandemic, the learning process was carried out at home with an online system or online, offline, or with other systems. Studying at home has several advantages, including saving on transportation costs, reducing stress due to congestion on the highway, and having lots of free time. On the other hand, studying at home has several shortcomings, including causing boredom, reducing work motivation, and increasing electricity costs or internet quota. Learning at home during the COVID-19 pandemic was very different from previous student learning habits. This led to boredom. As a result, students' interest and learning motivation decreased, but it also can have an impact on a student's interest in learning. The task given by the teacher is not done. Students are more likely to do play activities than to learn at home. Even in certain areas, students take advantage of their study time at home to play together at their friends' houses, play games, and so on. The result on the preliminary study that the research conducted showed that the learning process during the COVID-19 pandemic can run well. Character building such as habituation of tahsin, tahfidz, worship practice, memorizing prayers, and selected hadiths run smoothly. Several previous students have shown that the learning strategies used by teachers greatly after student learning outcome. Learning strategies can also influence student interest in learning. This depends on the student condition. The condition during the learning process the materials to be delivered, and the learning resource used. When teachers are faced with different conditions, even though the material present is the same, the strategies used will be different. Online learning strategies in fostering student interest in learning have never been done by previous research. Next is about method. This study used a qualitative method with a phenomenological approach. In the context, understanding and exploring the strategies used by the SDIT Robi Rodia Curup teachers in online learning to increase student interest in learning. The research informant consisted of one school principal, one five principal of curriculum, 7 teachers, ustad and ustazah, and students. Next is about result and discussion. Teacher strategies in online learning to foster interest in learning. During the COVID-19 pandemic, there was a change in the implementation of the learning process at SDIT Robi Rodia Curup. The learning process previously was carried out in schools with a face-to-face system, but during the COVID-19 pandemic, the learning process was carried out from home to the online system by utilizing existing media. The learning process during the COVID-19 pandemic at SDIT Robi Rodia Curup continues by utilizing online media. Many ways can be done so that the basic principles of lifelong learning are carried out, including independent learning, providing learning experience to students, learning through literacy, development cyclical student for learning, and so on. There are several strategies carried out by teachers at SDIT Robi Rodia Curup in online learning system to increase student interest in learning during the COVID-19 pandemic, namely providing understanding and attention to students in any situation that they must keep learning. At SDIT Robi Rodia Curup, during the COVID-19 pandemic, the learning process was carried out at home using an internet network or online, so that the learning process can run smoothly, effectively, and students remain interested in learning. Homeroom teachers and teachers provide understanding to students and parents of students about the importance of learning in any situation. Giving understanding is done before the learning process takes place. 3. Preparing brief, clear, easy to understand, and interesting learning materials. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the strategies implemented by SDIT Robi Rodia Curup teachers to increase student interest in learning include preparing learning materials that are brief, clear, and easy to understand, interesting, adaptive to the media and the learning system used. There are several ways of SDIT Robi Rodia Curup teachers in preparing distance learning material to make it easy to understand and interesting, namely summarizing the learning materials on each theme and subject, accompanying the material by concrete examples, followed by practice question, making PowerPoint, then applying via video learning. Likewise, with learning videos, in additional to attracting student attention, these videos can be played many times so that it can make it easier for students to learn and understand learning materials. 4. Choosing a simple and attractive learning media. Another strategy used by SDIT Robi Rodia Curup teachers in increasing student interest in learning amid the COVID-19 pandemic is choosing simple and attractive learning media. Media were simple in terms of affordable cost, easy to use by teachers and students in the learning process. Interesting means not boring and can foster student learning. The learning media used are WhatsApp, Classroom, and Zoom. Wherever using Zoom is considered less secure and requires a lot of internet quota, so Zoom is only used a few meetings. Number 5. Conducting regular and continuous evaluation. At SDIT Robi Rodia Curup, evaluation activities are carried out periodically and continuously. Evaluation activities are carried out not only to measure the level of progress and development of students after following the learning process, but also to evaluate the effectiveness and methods, media, learning strategies applied by teachers to increase student interest and motivation. Teachers are required to develop a learning evaluation instrument according to the criteria and changes and developments in the object to be evaluated. If this is not done, the evaluation instrument will not be able to measure the object being evaluated validly. At SDIT Robi Rodia, the learning process during the COVID-19 pandemic was carried out by using online media including WhatsApp and Classroom. Students have different response. Next, conclusion. The strategy used by SDIT Robi Rodia Curup teachers to foster student interest in learning during the COVID-19 pandemic is the first, giving students an understanding of the importance of learning in any situation, either directly or in collaboration with parents of students. Second, prepare learning materials that are short, clear, easy to understand, and interesting. Third, choose learning media that is simple and attractive. Fourth, evaluate learning regularly and continuously. There are two responses of students to learning during the COVID-19 pandemic. Namely, first, some said it is fun because they can learn while watching videos of their ustada and can be creative in making video recordings related to schoolwork. Second, some say it's not fun because they feel that something is missing, such as being together with their friends both in learning and in play. I think it is now for my presentation. If you any question, I'll be happy to answer them. Because there is no question, I will end up my presentation now. If I have mistake, Please apologize me. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.